Hi guys, TinaGale here, and today I have a special haul video for you. So this is the Simple Stories December album for this year, and they're featuring the Simple Vintage Holly Jolly collection, which is just gorgeous. So I'm going to walk you through everything that's in the kit. It's available right now through the scrap room, and I have a full look at all of the product in depth and stuff over on their YouTube channel. I will put the link down in the description so that you can go watch it. I just want to do a brief overview and let you know that when you purchase it through the scrap room, that I'm going to be doing some exclusive videos for those that purchase it of several different things. So I'm going to walk through, first of all, kind of how I organize and give you lots of different ideas of how to organize kits and things while you're working on them for a big project. Now, the nice thing about these kits is it's pretty compact and it's pretty small, so you don't need much space to store it while you're working on it. Now, of course, I usually pull things from my stash because I love Christmas and always have a lot of things to use. And so I pull out extras, embellishments, and different things like that. So we'll get into that in those exclusive videos. I'm also going to do a cutting video with you. Now, this does come with full instructions, and they are awesome. They give you, let's see if I can just find a page here. Well, I'll show you the back of this one. So they give you the pages of pattern paper and then what sizes to cut them in. They're also going to give you a full photograph of the pages that we're creating with step-by-steps. So you can totally create from this guide, no problems. If you're more of a visual or you just want to hang out with somebody else and hear some extra tips and thoughts, well, then that's where I come in. So those exclusive videos will have the cutting video. So I'll go through and cut all of the pieces with you, show you how I organize those pieces so they're easy to find when you start putting the album together. So lots of tips and little tricks and things and bonus ideas. I'm also going to go through and create some of the specialty pages that have flips and flaps and just different interactive items in them. So there will be exclusive video content for that. I already have several ideas of how to kind of make this album even cuter with just a few added little things. If you want to spend a little bit of extra time making the pages just really pop, then I'll have video content for that as well. Now, of course, you can create it just like it is in the book and it'll turn out beautiful. This is a great kit because of its simplicity, the full instructions. So if you're short on time like I am at the holidays, this is a perfect way to get a December album done and just be able to load your photos in it without a lot of time investment. Now, if you're different and you have a lot of time and you want to invest more time doing it and do some extras, well, then I'm going to have that covered and give you some ideas. So let's dig in. I'm just going to do a quick overview of what's in the kit, but be sure to check it out at the scrap room. Purchase it there so that you can get all the exclusive content that I'll be sharing. So it comes with the guide, like I showed you. Again, everything. It tells you the supplies that you're going to need to create them, which is not much. It's just your basic tools, your trimmers and your adhesive and things like that. It comes with the binder. I love their binders because it's a full 2-inch binder, has the nameplate on the back. So I love to put the year on the backs of my albums so that you can easily see it. It also has the corner protectors and the metal, so it gives it a touch of bling, but also just makes it that much sturdier. Inside the Simple Stories albums, they give you 8 pages. So some of them will be smaller like this, some will be full size. Then they give you a pocket page, which I love this to put in the back. You can put your Christmas cards that you receive, receipts, the kids' Christmas list, just anything that you want, extra memorabilia that you pick up during the holidays. And then you're going to get 10 page protectors. So these vary from 3x4 and 4x6 to 4 3x4s, 2 4x6s, and full 6x8. So you, of course, can purchase more page protectors if you want. to make it go even further, but I've always found that these are jam-packed full and I have plenty of space to document all of my December. So that is the album. Then for all of the goodies inside, let's start with the patterned paper here. You're going to get some 12 by 12 papers and cardstock. So this is the icicle paper, and this comes in just about all of the color palettes that they do. So it's a ledger on one side and then a canvas print on the other. So you're going to get that in icicle and in garland. Then you're going to get this pattern paper, which is the 3 by 4 elements. Beautiful holly on the background, and then all of the 3 by 4 cards that are perfect for our pocket pages. This paper here is the journal elements, and I love this print. It's also in the 6 by 8, so you'll get plenty of it. Love the crossword puzzle. And then this one, if you follow the scrap room where I do all the reveal videos, I always talk about how much I love their journal elements paper, because you get all of the different sizes. It's perfect for journaling and just documenting so much. Then you're going to get the cardstock that coordinates. This is their signature textured cardstock where it has the dot on one side and it's solid on the back. So you're going to get a sheet of black, a sheet of cream, a sheet of pine, and then a sheet of brick and a sheet of tomato. So lots of cardstock solids there, and I love that polka dot so that you can do photo mats and interactive elements inside. Then you're going to get half a pack of the 6 by 8 papers. So this means you'll get one of each sheet. The desk is not quite big enough. I love these because this is just ready for a page. And I go into more detail in the other unboxing reveal video for the scrap room, so be sure to check that out. I'm just going to flip through here really quick and try not to stop and talk about every page because I did that in the other video. But I just love the prints. You can see the vintage feel of this collection. I love the Santa and the antique ornaments. So I hope you will join us at the scrap room to create this together. So that is your patterned paper, and now for the embellishments. So one of the things that's new, they haven't had this before in the December album, is the little flaps. So these are perfect where you see the white, that's adhesive, but it just sticks down on your page and then it will flip up. You can put more photos, you can put journaling blocks, you can make little shakers out of it, all kinds of things. So these are awesome. And of course, if you like these, you can also order these in all different kinds of sizes. You're going to get the package of brads. These are the self-adhesive, not the ones that you have to poke your paper through, and it has chipboard down here. You're going to get the page pieces, which I love. Love the Santa and the sleigh, so it has a title. So you'll get all of those pieces. And you're also going to get the sentiment bits. So those will be really nice inside the December album. And then also the 12 by 12 sticker sheet. Again, I'm not going to go in depth because if you want to hear all of my thoughts and see everything slower and up close, check out the video in the link below. So that is the December album that's for sale right now in the scrap room. And when you purchase it from the scrap room, you're going to get access to the exclusive videos that I'm going to be doing creating this album right along with you. So be sure to hop over there, get it added. They are in limited quantities. She doesn't have a lot, so be sure to grab yours before they sell out. They normally sell out pretty quick. If you have any questions, any suggestions, anything that you want me to feature in the videos, I'll be more than happy to do that. So just leave your thoughts in your comments. Tell me what you think of the Holly Jolly collection. I'm in love. So any comments that you have, leave them down below. I'll try to address them in the videos or I'll answer you in the comments. So thanks so much for watching. Be sure to check that other link out. That's the reveal video I did for the scrap room. And we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.